Hello everyone, I'm at my apartment building here in a snowstorm. I'll shoot a brief video. I'm cleaning out third floor right now. This is the first floor. As you can see, flooring materials are all in place. They're going to put a new subflooring and then put some new flooring over it. This is all going to get ripped up. And this is the other apartment. 2 bedrooms. It is gutted right now. They're going to get a new stove for this side. This is a bathroom. They took out the toilet already. Already put the new subflooring down. This is going to be one apartment here. The other one's going to be here. That's my washer and dryer. The 2 bedrooms. This is my stuff that he moved over for me. And here's the other bathroom. He's going to replace this whole tub and shower handle. This goes up to the second floor units. We have 2 tenants still living. There's an old store next here, next to this building, behind it. They are going to be putting something else there soon. Not sure what yet. And this is the 3rd floor unit. We're going to leave the flooring alone here because it's been recently redone. And this 3rd floor unit is huge. It's spacious. It's got 3 bedrooms. And I still have to, I'm going to take some of this garbage out of here. The previous tenant left today. And here's a view from and normally from this window you could see across into Canada, but due to the snow, visibility is reduced. This is the bathroom. He's going to put a new flooring here because right now the water runs under the sink if somebody takes a shower, isn't careful. This is all going to get corrected so that A shower curtain could be put here. New subflooring, new flooring is going to go in. And then this is the living room. There is a second bathroom, but we're just going to convert that into a storage. And here's the other two bedrooms, which I'm going to clean out today. And here's a view from this bedroom window. And here's the other bedroom, third bedroom. The harsh walls are all going to get repainted. It looks like probably about 2 to 3 inches has fallen so far. Chinese restaurant, short walk away. Haven't tried them yet. Island Style Nail Salon across the street. Police department is right there, in that brick building. Walgreens. Insurance office. US Cellular. Family Dollar. Public Library. As you can see, I have 3 apartments opening up, possibly a 4th in the next couple of months. post office, that brick building. And downtown is just up ahead, probably not even 5-minute walk. It's a paper mill right there where those stacks are. Polaris snowmobile place, that blue building. Some restaurants further up. So, anybody who's mobile, who wants a nice centrally located apartment, hit me up. They will probably be available within, probably by spring, maybe sooner. You can see that they do need some work before I can re-rent them to get them looking good. Building does go through a ton of oil. I mean, it's going through probably about 100 gallons a week almost. So I'm probably going to convert it over to propane. I'm going to get a quote on how much that's going to cost. Propane is supposedly a lot more efficient than oil for heat. And then I'm going to get the hot water heaters changed out from electric to running off the heating system. But yesterday I found what could have been part of the reason it's going through so much oil. One of the windows had a 1-inch gap where heat was escaping. I, for now, put some towels in there to block the airflow. So this is Saturday, January 2nd, midday. Hope everybody had a happy new year. I will be here until at least Wednesday because one of the tenants, the eviction hearing is Wednesday afternoon. So, I am going to head back in, get some more cleanup done. I hope you enjoyed this view of this snowstorm. Again, I think the total accumulation is supposed to be about 6 inches. we've already gotten probably close to half that.